So we'll just review topic 2. And here we have the second question. Are the perimeters and the side of the length squares proportional? How do you check the proportionality? Only for Malak now. Malak, are you there? Hello, Malak?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Malak. See how I check the proportionality. First thing is I check with 1. If 2, the side length is 2, the perimeter is 8. With 1, it's how much? That it is?
With 1, it will be 4.
So now with 12, it is how much? With 12 times 4. And you get 48 centimeter. Did you understand this, Malak?
Yeah.
Okay, next page. So we have finished with 2.1 and 2.2. Sorry, 2.3 also. 2.1, 2.2, what did you learn? You learned that you have to do with unit rate always. And lesson number 2.3, you have learned about how to check whether it is proportional or not. And if they give you some other value, there are many ways, as I told you. If you don't want to do the unit one, you can directly do. Like for the side length 2, you have 8. So for the side length 12, how much? So you can, or you can just take the proportionality and multiply in there. It's up to you. Okay, girls, did you understand this? Next. Lesson number 2.4. What is the equation of the line? Y equal kx. This is the proportionality equation, right? If suppose, see girls, instead of y 2x, they gave you y equal 2x plus 2. Is this proportional? No. If they gave you y equal 2x minus 2, is this proportional? It's not proportional. It has to be exactly like this. And if they ask you like y equals 2.5x, what is the proportionality constant here? 2.5, k equal 2.5. Never say x. And some of them, they even do this mistake. What do they write? K equal 2.5x. No x. Only this is the proportionality constant. Y equal kx. K is only this number. Okay. Whether it is negative, whether it is positive, it's not your business. You just have to write that number. Remember, don't write x with that. Okay. Now, Sally is going on vacation with her family. In 2 hours, they travel. See, simple. Always start 2 hours. They travel 90.5 miles. If they travel at the same speed, write an equation that represents how far will they travel in d hours? Of course, how will you do? You will do 90.5 or 0.2. Yeah, 90.5. One second. First of all, let us do for 1 hour. For 1 hour, how much? Let us do for 1 hour, okay? If it's 2 hour, see girls, because always what did I say you to find the unit one? Unit. 2 hour is 90.5. So 1 hour is how much? How much, Mala? 2 hours, 90.5. So 1 hour is how much?
So we divide.
Yes, 90.5 divided by 2. When you divide this, I get 45.25. So 1 hour is 45.25. But in the question, they ask you for D hours. Yes? D means nothing. Any letter, you don't know the value of the D. If you know the value of D, you will multiply with this, right? Like this, you will divide, and this you will multiply, right? Simple, simple. See everything. Did you find for 1? For 1 hour, how much? Tell me. 1 hour is 45.25. They did not ask you 12 hour, 3 hour. They asked you D hour. What did they ask you? D hour, how much? I don't know what is D. This is division. 45.25 divided by. Multiply by D. That is answer is 45.25 D. This is your answer. D means it can be any number. No, in the exam, I will not give such questions, of course, Yavatin. This is 2.4. Yes. And here, Why did they write H? How far will they travel? D in hours. Okay, they ask you D. In H hours, they ask you H. Sorry, girls. They ask you H hours and D. So what is D? D equals to 45 times H. They ask you not D hours. They ask you H hours. So D, you'd have to find D. D is, this is the question one. D equals 45 divided by 1. That is into H. That your answer is 45.25 H. Such questions won't come. You will understand in grade 8 better. Okay? Unit review is not there actually. Put and do it, but do it. But listen, like I want you to be perfect. I want you to solve any kind of question. You must learn in grade 7 how to do tough questions also. Finish, girls? Next question. I just have 2 minutes. The table shows the weight of bunches and the price of each bunch. Identify the constant of proportionality. How do you find the constant of proportionality? With 1 unit, right? With, like, how do you find this value? How do you find this value? You find it with 1, always with unit. So 3 pounds is how many dollars? $1.35. So 1 pound is how much? Come on, how will you do this? You will divide 1.35 divided by 3. So let us do the calculator. Yes, Yamala, divide and tell me.
Okay.
Divide 1.35 divided by 3. So what you get? 0.45. What do I get? See, Kalia, for 3 pounds, you have 1.35. So for 1 pound, how much? Why do I find 1? To find this K value. Whatever I get with 1 unit, like with 1 I have, how much was it? 0. What was it? Yeah. Do it and tell me. 1.35 divided by 3. 1.35 divided by 3, 0. Divided by
0.45.
0.45. Okay, now 0.45 is nothing but the value of K. So you'll write K equal 0.45. This is the constant. Whatever you get with 1, that is nothing but the proportionality constant. That is not going to change. Every time I'm multiplying with 0.45 and I get it. Now they ask you relate the equation to W. So nothing but you multiply with 0.45 W. P equal, they ask you price P. 0.45 W. Okay, Malak, have a great day. That's it for today.
Okay, let's bye.